Let's cook crispy bacon in the oven real quick. So good. Hi, I'm Laura Fuentes, and on my channel, I share all the kitchen skills that moms just know, real life recipes, and the very best pancakes. Subscribe for more. Today, I'm using a pound of bacon. This is a regular cut. For each pound of bacon, you'll need a single sheet pan. You can cook up to 2 or 3 in the oven. You would just have to layer the sheet pans. I'm gonna cover my pan with foil for easy cleanup. The foil also makes throwing away the oil later really easy. I'll show you how. I'm gonna take my bacon slices and place them as a single layer on my baking sheet. For extra crispy bacon, I like to take a cooling rack and put it on top of a baking sheet, and then put the bacon slices on top. By lifting the bacon up away from the pan, the oil will drip down and the hot air will circulate all around. And it's especially important to cook the middles. Now, if you like crispy edges and soft middles, this method right here, straight in the pan, which will sit in the oil, is the way to go. Let's place these in a 400-degree oven. On average, regular cut bacon will take 14 to 16 minutes and thick cut about 18 to 20. If you're cooking multiple trays at a time, swap positions halfway through cooking so they all cook evenly. Towards the end of the cooking time, I just stand by the oven and keep an eye on it and take them out when I like it. Now that these are ready to how I like them, I'm gonna remove them from the oven onto my board. As you can see, when baked directly on the foil, there's a lot of oil in the pan. So I'm gonna lift them from the pan onto a paper towel lined plate to let the paper towel absorb the excess oil. By using the rack, the grease is at the bottom and you can just lift your bacon pieces and still put them on another paper towel or directly onto a plate. If you do plan on saving the bacon grease from the bottom of the pan, whether you use the rack or not, grab a storage jar and a fine metal strainer, and all you need to do once your pan has cooled is pour the grease through the strainer and you're good to go. And all you're left with is bacon grease that you can use to cook other foods. Now, if you don't want the bacon grease, the last thing you wanna do is pour it down your disposal. It'll only clog it. What you wanna do is wait for it to cool and take that foil and then you just wrap it up and throw it away. Wasn't that easy? Cooking bacon in the oven is definitely where to go when you want to cook a lot of it at once. If this is your kind of video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to watch this one next. See you next time.